system that impacted several yesterday has cleared out completely. This information is a reconstruction of yesterday's event for reference purposes only. Severe thunderstorm watch New York posted 3 hours ago info and updates. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch for night 4 in effect until 9 meant this evening for the following areas. In New York, this watch includes 4 counties. In central New York, Cayuga, Oswego. In western New York, Allegheny, Cattaraugus, Chautauqua, Erie, Genesee, Livingston, Monroe, Niagara, Ontario, Orleans, Wayne, Wyoming. This includes the cities of Auburn, Batavia, Buffalo, Canandaigua, Fairhaven, Geneseo, Jamestown, Medina, Newark, Niagara Falls, Colleen, Oswego, Rochester, Warsaw, and Wilsonville. Safety build an emergency kit and make a family communications plan. Follow the instructions at // ready. Use /build a kit for building an emergency kit and // ready. Use /make a plan for a family communications plan. Build an emergency kit and make a family communications plan. Follow the instructions at // ready. Use /build a kit for building an emergency kit and // ready. Use /make a plan for a family communications plan. Remember the 30/30 lightning safety rule. Go indoors if, after seeing lightning, you cannot count to 30 before hearing thunder. Stay indoors for 30 minutes after hearing the last clap of thunder. Secure outdoor objects that could blow away or cause damage. Get inside a home, building, or hard top automobile not a convertible. Although you may be injured if lightning strikes your car, you are much safer inside a vehicle than outside. Shutter windows and secure outside doors. If shutters are not available, close window blinds, shades or curtains. More about what to do before thunderstorm and lightning. Avoid contact with corded phones and devices including those plugged into electrics or charging. Cordless and wireless phones not connected to wall outlets are not to use. Avoid contact with electrical equipment or cords. Unplug appliances and other electrical items such as computers and turn off air conditioners. Power surges from lightning can cause serious damage. Avoid contact with plumbing. Do not wash your hands. Do not take a shower. Do not wash dishes. And do not do laundry. Plumbing and bathroom fixtures can conduct electricity. Stay away from windows and doors. And stay off porches. If you are driving, try to safely exit the roadway and park. Stay in the vehicle and turn on the emergency flashers until the heavy rain ends. Avoid touching metal or other surfaces that conduct electricity in and outside the vehicle. More about what to do during thunderstorm and lightning.